Now, while we're on the topic of politicians on holiday, let's talk about the man who's traveling the world as if his frequent flyer miles are expiring. Our very own Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji.
Yes, exactly. Modi ji अब 18 countries जा चुके हैं पिछले एक साल में, and he is the first Gujarati in this whole world to do it without Raj Travel.
It is also impressive that in the 18 countries he only managed to confuse 2 of them.
अगर आपको ये नहीं पता, बट मोदी जी जब भूटान गए थे तब उन्होंने कहा कि he is very happy to be in Nepal. We don't know if this was an honest mistake or racism or both.
God knows, right? But contrary to popular belief, Modi is not flying around the world just for fun. He is also conducting important state business such as taking selfies,
Talking to statues
and tickling koalas.
But the reason that he is getting the Chutzpah award is for wearing this amazing piece of clothing. Looks like a normal suit, right? Take a closer look. और थोड़ा zoom. और थोड़ा zoom. अभी देखिए. हमारे अगले चुत्पा अवार्ड के विनर है द 102nd इंडियन साइंस कांग्रेस, जहां पर उन्होंने ये क्लेम किया है कि एरोप्लेन जो है वो इंडिया में वैदिक एज में बनाए गए थे.
That's right. The aerostresses from that first flight now work at Air India.
Air Dadis. The 2 people who presented the theory are Anand J. Bodas and Amaya Jadhav. They claimed that the plane was huge and could fly to other countries
and planets. To which we just want to say, भाई साहब, आपके डीलर का नंबर दो.
Jaldi please, जरूरत है. Anyway, there is no proof whatsoever that food aboard the Vedic Airlines was any better than food you get right now. Speaking of extinct airlines, हमारे अगले अवार्ड के विनर है the former king of good times, Mr. Maker of bad beer, Dr. Vijay Mallya. Talia.
Vijay Mallya was doing well for himself. He had a liquor business, he had an IPL team, and that talent.
Anyway, but then he made one disastrous decision.
Which one? He didn't pull out on time.
No. The other one. He launched Kingfisher Airlines apparently. When it came to the losses, the sky was the limit.
Yeah, that company went down faster than you could say, "Ula la la la, uleo,
Leo.
Shut up."
Okay. Anyways, reached the point where Mallya had to sell off his entire liquor business to clear his debts.
Now he claims that he's bankrupt. I believe that as much as I believe that the aircrafts were invented in the Vedic age, by which I mean I don't.
Yeah, neither do I. To put it in Mallya terms, he went from drinking scotch to drinking Desi Tharra in Pushpa Bar. In fact, this is what his calendar looks like right now. But when it comes to business chutzpah, few can match the obnoxious levels that CEO of Housing.com, Rahul Yadav, has housed inside him.
Recently, Rahul Yadav, showing the maturity that a CEO will possess at the age of 26, resigned with this letter.
Dear board members and investors, I don't think you guys are intellectually capable enough to have any sensible discussion anymore.
I had calculated long back by taking average life expectancy minus average sleeping hours that I only have 3 lakh hours in my life left.
Like, who the hell calculates the number of hours they have left? Somewhere Yamraj is sitting saying, "Arey, kaisa ki no me exactly? I don't know."
Superb. He later withdrew his resignation and got right back to work because, AMIs. Hey Rahul Yadav, it's easy to manage a startup, but it's hard to manage where you'll end up.
अब एक स्टार्टअप से चलते हैं दूसरे स्टार्टअप के तरफ. One that has more sales than Anil Kapoor has hair. Yes, मैं सही कह रहा हूँ. Flipkart.
Flipkart wins our Chutzpah award for making a chutzpah out of a consumer not once, not twice, but पूरे 3 बार. So Adarsh Anandan ordered a pen drive from Flipkart but received an empty box on 3 separate occasions. मतलब कितना भरोसा है इसको Flipkart पे कि एक बार खाली डब्बा मिलने के बाद मंगा जा रहा है. इतना भरोसा तो भगवान पे भी नहीं करता.
इतनी श्रद्धा. आनंद, वाह, अमेजिंग.
Shraddha and Anand, fantastic. I mean, what a shitty way it is to find out that a pen drive is out of stock.
If Flipkart was a person, he would be that guy who always does this, but then does this.
It's weird how Flipkart gets it right on the first time when it comes to accepting payment.
Yeah, that they will do without fail, right? Fun fact, the flip in Flipkart stands for flipping out the customer by not delivering their pen drives on time. Or at all.
अच्छा, अभी मेरे को पता चला कि ये लोग इतने लो प्राइस कैसे दे सकते हैं और इतना अच्छा मार्जिन, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट है ही नहीं.
हाँ, अमीन. ये कितने का है? 40 रुपए का. 40 रुपए का एसी?
40 रुपए की हवा.
ये देखो. So our next Chutzpah Award winner has a lot of similarities with Heather.
कैसे?
सबसे पहले तो वो जम्मू और कश्मीर में based है. Second, it's about a dude who thinks that he's a king and is undone by the would-be prince.
वाह, sounds like Lion King.
Exactly.
The award goes to the DIG of Jammu, Shakil Ahmed Beg. The reason he is being awarded is because of a picture his son put up on Instagram. Here, have a look.
Caption his son put up was, "Real king, my dad. Last time he put his shoes himself, he was almost 15 years back. Hashtag boss, hashtag life, hashtag king." I don't know about you, but my dad not putting his own shoes is information I would not want to put online.
Not at all.
क्यों डाल रहा है? मेरे बाप को देख, मेरे बाप को जूता पहनने नहीं आता. इसलिए नौकर.
I love how his son's criteria for being a king is not wearing your own shoes.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसे ये नहीं पहना तो राजा. Amazing. Here are some of the other things that have happened in India since Mr. Beg wore his shoes himself. Okay, first, Sachin Tendulkar retired.
Wow.
Hrithik Roshan got married and divorced. But Manmohan Singh remained silent.
That's right. And this guy is the Deputy Inspector General of the Police. सोच यार, इसके इलाके में कोई क्राइम हो रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन बेग साहब जा नहीं सकते क्योंकि उनको जूता बांधना नहीं आता.
सर वहां पर बॉम्बर आ गया. रुक एक मिनट, रुक यार. अरे कोई बांधो कोई, प्लीज.
Hashtag king, hashtag life, hashtag cool.
No, seriously, like it almost looks like he DIG'd his own grave. बेग साहब, आपके लिए खास. Okay, time now to move towards some international chutzpah. Chutzpah सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं होता, internationally भी होता है. And this one goes to an Irish rock band. No list would be complete with or without. Get it?
Not
Oh,
yet.
I'm talking about U2. Now you get it?
Yes, now I get it.
U2 joke.
Sometime last year, U2 released their album, and in a move reeking of chutzpah, they forcefully downloaded it onto every single Apple device all over the world.
मतलब क्या है ये सीन? क्यों? क्या? क्या?
But why?
क्यों? क्यों? मैं iTunes क्या खाली पड़ा है तुम लोग के म्यूजिक के लिए? क्यों डाला? Why are you putting, man? Anyway, you know, they say they did this because they were afraid that people wouldn't listen to their songs on their own. मतलब compulsory सुनो ये गाना.
Yeah, that's right. In fact, they were absolutely right, because you know what? The album was given away for free, but you know it's a shit album when everyone is still complaining about it.
Exactly. You know, Apple claimed that this album was a gift to its users, you know, to which the users replied in the way most people do when they receive gifts. अगले बार पैसे दे देती.
Here are some things that Apple could have put in my phone instead of the U2 album.
Exactly.
1. An improved battery life.
Please.
2. A map that doesn't show me that my destination is in the middle of the Arabian Sea.
Correct.
And number 3, this is a special request, Katrina Kaif's phone number.
मेरे पास है already.
देना bro.
Contact 1212. But it could have been much worse, right? We should all be really thankful that they didn't put Himesh Reshammiya's songs in.
A very big thank you to all my fans.
Continuing our thread of international chutzpah, our next award goes to the rich young men of the Gulf who take selfies with their pets.
Yes. Yes, these rich, spoiled dudes put up cat photos of a different kind. Check it out.
Because what better way to say that you're rich than by taking a selfie with your own illegal pet lion?
Ye photo is the perfect example of Chitiapa.
Because cheetah.
Yes. What?
Oh.
Why else?
I don't
Why
know.
else? No, because lion.
Okay. The saddest thing would be if you took the trouble of smuggling an illegal animal, usko train karo, khana khilao, pyar se bada karo, sehlao, और फिर after all of that, you don't get any likes for it.
Oh shit, that sucks.
I would have totally been broken.
Yeah, me too, man. But you know what? I would say that I don't find these pictures cool, but then I would be lion. Acha joke hai yaar. Anyway, moving on to the other animals that are illegal. Our next award goes to the Maharashtra government for implementing the beef ban.
That's right. Beef was banned in Maharashtra in March. the ban came with a 10,000 rupee fine or a 5-year jail sentence.
Yeah, it was ironic that slaughter of bales was a non-bailable offense. Anyway, but for a while, cows had a major chutzpah, right? Can you imagine how shitty chickens and goats must be feeling?
Yeah, like, humme kya kami thi yaar? In fact, you know, the chickens had it worst. Not only do millions of them die every day, but we also kill their unborn children. Hashtag Haftai.
Must breakfast. Thankfully, though, they've now revoked the ban, so beef is back on the menu.
They've not revoked the ban, Varun.
So I ate beef yesterday.
That's water buffalo. That's all you've been
What
eating.
are you saying? Anyway, चले roast करके खा सकते हो roast करके.
Roast भी banned है.
तू पन क्या allowed है? मैं किया तो allowed नहीं है.
एक allowed है यार.
What a guy.
एक allowed है. And finally.
ज़्यादा बहस मत कर मुझसे.
Yes. And finally, one of our last Chutzpah Awards goes to the Indian media for their sensitive and helpful coverage of the recent earthquakes in Nepal.
This is probably the most deserving award of the lot because our news media are the biggest chutzpahs in the whole world.
That's right. Nepal didn't even know that the worst thing to hit them wouldn't be the earthquake.
Yeah.
It would be the Indian news reporter avalanche.
These are the kind of men and women who will go up to people who have lost everything in the quake and make it a point to tell them about everything. Like, आपको कैसा लग रहा है सर? आपका अभी घर टूट गया, गाड़ी टूट गया, घर के अंदर खड्डा. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? क्या महसूस हो रहा है आपको?
If Indian news media were a movie, it would be directed by Michael Bay.
If the Indian news media were a person, it would be Rakhi Sawant.
And their reporting is so loud and screechy, you would hear it even if your TV was on mute.
अरे हम यहाँ पर है हिमाचल में, मैं कैमरामैन मुकेश के साथ, मेरा नाम राजीव उपपाल, और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कितना डिस्ट्रक्शन डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका है और कितना क्वेक्स में क्वेक. Sorry. And the weird thing is that these chutzpahs will always be the first to show up. मतलब सबसे पहले इन लोग पहुंचेंगे, वर्कर्स नहीं पहुंचेंगे, क्वेक खुद नहीं आएगा, लेकिन इंडियन रिपोर्टर सबसे पहले, always. और सबसे आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I don't understand. I think it should be a universal rule that the moment there is a crisis anywhere in the world, before anything else, people have to ban the Indian press.
Basically, the Indian news media does not care about a 7.9 magnitude quake as long as they can get a 7.9 TRP.
And finally, the final award goes to two over-opinionated idiots who think they're damn funny calling the world chutzpah.
Exactly, Sidhu and Arnab.
No.
मतलब क्या लगता है तुम लोग को कि कुछ भी बोल दिया चलेगा, गुरु ठोक दे? What is all this?
It's the two of us.
I get why, because it takes chutzpahs to know chutzpahs.
That's right. All right, now we really hope you've enjoyed these Chutzpah Awards, and we're sure you'll enjoy Heather even more when it airs on Ant Pictures.
चले 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 दिए से चले रहे सारी जिंदगी